What's up guys, TechTitan here, and I am back again with a brand new video. So before I begin this video, I would like to welcome you guys to this channel. If you're new here, be sure to consider subscribing. If you're not new and you're already subscribed, I want to thank you. So in today's video, we're going to be unboxing and doing the first impressions of the Coolpad Defiant. So yeah, without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump to it. So this phone is $30, and it's really meant for a backup phone or parents who want to get their child their first phone. This is actually a really good option because it doesn't really have the highest of the highest specs. If you plan on doing heavy gaming, this is not the phone for you. But if you want to do like something like watching videos, browsing the web, texting, calling, I mean, this is really a great option, especially for that $30 price. So standard, you have a standard Metro PCS box, and on the back you have your usual specs. So it is 4G LTE enabled, of course, in 2018. And now the display is not really its strongest suit, so it has a 5-inch FWVGA display, which basically means it's a 480p display. And you also have a 5 megapixel camera with LED flash, as well as a 2 megapixel front facing camera. Really low 8 gigabytes of storage, yet expandable. And you also get 1 gigabyte of RAM, which is really not a lot. So if you plan on doing anything besides watching videos, browsing the web, or like just checking your social media, it's a really tough sell. Even though it's $30, but at the same time, you want to at least get a phone that functions the way that you want it to. Okay, so it does have a 1.4 gigahertz quad-core processor, and yeah, I mean, really, it's just a standard Metro PCS box. So let's open it up and take a look at the phone. So here's the phone itself, and it is plastic. I mean, honestly, what else would you expect? So it is made out of plastic, and it does have this kind of pattern on the back. Does it feel cheap? Yeah. The sides are also plastic. They're not metal, but they kind of resemble metal, so there's that. And on the bottom you have a micro USB, not USB Type-C. I know this is a $30 phone, but I think micro USB just needs to die at this point. But yeah. And I mean, you get something that $900 phones don't have, which is a 3.5mm headphone jack on the top. And on the side, you do have your power button and your volume up and down. And they are clicky and tactile, so I'll give them that. And I mean, Coolpad, to me, I don't know, it's a new company. Well, I don't think it's a new company, but I've never used a Coolpad device before. So yeah, let's put it to the side and see what else we get. So you do get a SIM card, your quick start guide, the battery. I mean, you have your charger, the wall adapter, and let's see, and the battery, which is really which really is the only thing that I need right now. So let's put everything else to the side, and we'll take a look at this battery real quick. So the battery is 2450, and I mean, it's not the largest size battery out there, but at the same time, it doesn't really have to power a lot of things. So I think it should be sufficient for 90% of people. But yeah, let's put the battery on and let's power this phone on. And before I do that, I gotta take off this plastic. So 3, 2, 1. So let's talk a little bit about this display. And I mean, yeah, this display is a 480p panel, and it's not really a great display to begin with. If you tilt it off axis, I mean, the colors are they just go crazy. So if you get this phone, I would recommend just using it upright, or if you use it in landscape, just use it like that. But don't try and tilt it because it's kind of bad. And we already have a software update, but I'll install that later. But I mean, honestly, for day-to-day tasks, like I said, like just normal, if you want to watch a quick video, which let's test the speaker since we're here. See how fast this loads up? I mean, it's not half bad. Let's see. Let's look up MKBHD.
Hey, what is up, guys? MKBHD here, and you've probably seen a dolly camera move, something like that, or maybe you've seen a sort of a slow pan and arcing shot. These are all pretty common. What about something more complicated? For that, you're going to need something a little more dope.
So speaker quality, here's what I gotta say about it. It's okay. Definitely bring your own pair of headphones though. Highly recommend that for sure. But yeah, speaker quality is just fine. It's usable, really. And just watching videos, like I said, I mean, it's a good experience. It's not the best, but it's definitely not the worst. So let's see, let's just test out the camera real quick. And expectations, keep them really low. I'm about to launch the camera and see what's it about. Alright. I don't know how to describe this. Okay, let's talk about the interface. So the interface is it uses this iOS interface, and you get photo, you get a beauty mode. Wow, you even get a pro mode. All right, so you can mess around with that stuff and see what you can get out of it. But for most people who get this phone to begin with, I mean, you're just gonna use auto mode, and you get HDR, you get the flash, and all those. You get your front-facing camera switching and everything. So the interface is kind of iOS-y, and the viewfinder is just not that good. So let's take a picture, see how fast it does it. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, okay, that was actually kind of fast. Okay, I'll give him that. It's fast at taking pictures, and the effect that it does it with. Watch this again. Let's see it again. So let's see. 3, 2, 1. Watch this effect. Okay, that's actually my favorite part. Okay, the camera is, while the quality, the picture quality is horrible, the experience actually is not that bad. I'll give them that. It's iOS-y, yeah, but the way when you take a picture, that little, I don't know, that little water drop effect, that's pretty cool. Yeah, if you guys want to see a full review on this phone, testing the processor, testing more heavy demanding stuff, even though I know how that turns out, just let me know. This was just an unboxing and first impressions. And yeah, overall first impressions, it's not bad, but I would recommend it for people who just need it for casual use, or just need it as a backup, or that you're giving it to a child. So this has been it. I want to thank you all so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.